There was a water leak under the Ste-Catherine Street, and a specialist came to see where the water leak was. A man from the city came to dig few holes to let the specialist knows where is the problem. And then there was a collapse, and the backhoe fell in the hole. There is a gas line near the equipment and the hole, so we are waiting for the engineer to put in place a safety procedure, so Gas Metropolitain stop the gas and the city remove the equipment. The worker was transported to the hospital and was diagnosed for a nervous shock. He has no injuries.